Hi?
This can be true. Thanks.
But your book is... Okay. The weather is cool, not?
Okay, let's start. Hi, I'm Cristina. You are Miss Spencer, right?
Yes, I'm Mrs. Spencer, but I'm not sure why.
Shh. I brought you here from the past because your husband made a microwave oven long time ago. This is so popular nowadays. And I want to interview you. Well, let's start. Follow me. Coming. Sit down there, please. So, your husband invented the microwave oven long time ago. Who was the first person that he sold his invention to?
Well, when my husband, Percy Spencer, invented the microwave, he didn't sell it to a person. Actually, he sold it to a restaurant in Boston.
Okay. So, did it have a good reception at first?
Not really, because at first it was too big to be installed at houses, but soon some people realized about how useful it was.
So, tell me, how did he get his idea?
While he was participating in an investigation about microwaves, he realized that the microwaves started to melt a candy that he had in his pocket. So he thought that we could use that microwaves to cook food.
When did he have the idea of the microwave?
Well, as I have already said, he had that idea while he was participating in an investigation about microwaves in 1946.
For a finish, how was the microwave at first?
At first, the microwave oven was a huge machine which measured 1.6 meters and weighed, I think, 80 kilograms, more or less, and furthermore it needed to be cooled with water.
Okay, thanks for your time. I will send you back to your time.